Morning students, hope you all are fine and safe. Today's topic is on oceans and continents. Today I am going to cover type of oceans and continents, its explanation and locating the oceans and continents in a world map. Now let's see what are the type of oceans and continents. Now coming to oceans. Oceans are of five types. First one is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Repeating once again, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Next, we are coming to continents. Continents are totally of seven types. First one is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So, students, you will get a doubt that how to remember this all the continents and oceans. There's a small clue for you all. You can see a small clue, students, here. Angry Aunt Anju eats 9 sweet apples. You can see a first letters here. A, E, and A. Here A is called as Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. And next, coming to oceans, you can see a word Paisa. Paisa. P is called as Pacific Ocean. A is called Atlantic Ocean. I is called Indian Ocean. S is called Southern Ocean. And A is called as Arctic Ocean. Now students, let us look at the continents and oceans on a world map. First I am going to look at the continents. First one is Asia. Asia is over here. Now Asia is the largest continent. 60% of the earth population lives in Asia. The continent of Asia includes many islands. Some of the countries are Philippines, Indonesia, Japan and Taiwan are major islands. Next, coming to Africa. Africa is over here. Africa is the second largest continent. It covers area more than 3 times of United States. And the third one is North America. North America is over here. North America is the third largest continent. It has greater variety of climates than other continent. Next one is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent. It is connected to North America by a narrow of Panama. You can see here students, North America and South America is connected together. And the next one is Antarctica. It is the windiest place. Antarctica is in the down totally. Antarctica is the windiest, driest and iciest place on the earth. It has no permanent human population there. And next one is Europe. Europe is over here. Europe is the sixth largest continent, containing just 7% of world's land. And the next one is Australia. Australia is over here. Oceania is dominated by Australia. The name Oceania is hint to this continent, defining characteristic the Pacific Ocean. Now students, we are going to locate the oceans now. First one is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is over here. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean covering more than 30% of the earth. This is close to half of the water on Earth. The equator decides the Pacific Ocean into two parts, that is, North Pacific Ocean and as South Pacific Ocean. And the next one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is over here. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest continent and saltiest ocean in the world. And third one is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is over here. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean surrounding by populated region. It contains 20% of water on the surface. And the next one is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is over here. Southern Ocean is the fourth largest continent at 20,327,000 square kilometers. And the last ocean is the Arctic Ocean. It is the world's smallest ocean. It is the coldest and least salty ocean. So students, you can see on the map there is a blue color totally and a white color totally. The blue area of the map represents the water bodies like the oceans, and other areas represents the land. The land makes 30% of the surface and divided into 7 continents. So students, today we have learned about oceans and continents. So see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.